Hello, welcome to our PixelPad game project. Panjat Pinang. My name is Ulul. I am from SFP Harapan One Purpose, Class 7, and let's see what this game is about. Here's the link to the game, and here's the credit for all the things made. Now let's see what it is. Alright, so here's the game. We have the how to play, W to go up, A and D to move left and right, the press space to start. So yeah. As you can see here, I am the white character that is slowly falling into the mud, but we can use the W key to go up. As you will soon see, we will need to use the A and D keys to dodge the falling missiles. Sooner or later, there they are. Yeah, it's not very easy. So you can press space to try again, play the game again, and yeah, you can try for how much the time you want. It's not very easy, and it's in return it's very short because of that. As you can see here, lost again. This will take some time, but hopefully I can do this in under 2 minutes. Try to so it seems we're running out of time, so let's do this a little bit faster now. So, you're not supposed to do this in the game, obviously, but this is just so that we can actually see the end, as the game is a bit too hard for me, actually. So, once we reach the end, we can show you the end screen, and that will be the end of this demonstration. There we go, you win. As you can see here, the character's holding the box in glory, and that's basically the entire game. Goodbye, thank you, hope you had a good day.